In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Lofi beats in BandLab. We'll start right from logging in and end with dropping your first drum pattern onto the timeline, all inside BandLab's free online studio. Open your browser and head to BandLab. On the homepage, click Log In. If you prefer a quick sign-in, choose the Google option, select your Google account, and click Continue to Authorize. This connects your profile to BandLab securely, so you can access your projects across devices without juggling extra passwords. Once you're in, go to your library. This is where all your projects live. Click the project you want to work on. If it's a blank idea or something you've already started, either way is fine. We're just adding drums. When the project opens, hit Studio to launch the editor. Inside Studio, click Add Track. From the choices, select Drum Machine. When the instrument menu appears, pick a Lo-Fi starting point. This loads a drum machine with a set of pads and a step grid designed for beat making. You'll see a list of drum kits and corresponding pads. Scroll around and look for Lo-Fi kits. These often have warm, dusty kicks, soft snares, and crisp but mellow hats. Choose the kit that matches the vibe you want. If you want that classic chill feel, aim for sounds with a bit of vinyl texture and softer transients. Now build your beat using the pads and the step grid. Think of the grid as a timeline split into small steps. Placing a dot on a step tells that drum to play there. A simple Lofi groove might put the kick near the start of the bar and again in the middle, with the snare roughly halfway and near the end. Add hi-hats more frequently to keep the rhythm moving. For a softer, laid-back feel, lower the velocity of some notes so every hit isn't the same volume, and consider a slower tempo. Many lo-fi beats sit comfortably between 70 and 90 BPM. If your kit or grid offers a swing control, add a little to loosen the groove. You can also try the pre-made patterns labeled A and B, then tweak them by moving notes, changing velocities, or swapping drum sounds. When you like what you've made, click and drag the Add button from the drum machine into your arrangement. Drop it exactly where you want the pattern to start on the timeline. That creates a clip you can loop, duplicate, or arrange to build your song's structure. And that's your first lo-fi drum foundation in BandLab. Experiment with different kits and subtle variations, and you'll have that cozy, head-nodding vibe in no time.